Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, talk about the green tint issue in the iQOO 7 device, whether it got fixed or not with the latest software update. So this is the iQOO 7 device, as you can see friends. So we all do know iQOO 7 device is facing the green tint issue problem. Not all the units, only few units green tint issue. Yes. So right now I'm running the latest software update, which is a 1.72.12 update. And I did receive on the date about August 16th, I got the update, which is a 1.7.12. Let's see with the latest update whether the green tint problem got fixed in this device in the iQOO 7 or not. That is what my main focus will be there. And during this process, I'll try to follow exactly same type of methods which I did use before to check. Yes, exact same methods. So first thing is to turn on the dark mode. So dark mode is completely turned on. So next I need to completely switch off the surrounding lights and keep the brightness to low and open the Google Chrome application, and I'll try to show you even on the lock screen as well. So right now, as you can see, it's complete darkness right now. So I did keep the brightness slightly low. When I'm trying to change the brightness, you will be noticing on the punch hole near the position slightly green tint kind of color. As you can see, there's a green shift is going on between the gaps of the settings option. You can clearly see that the option you cannot find in the 0% of the brightness, but you can actually find little bit kind of 10 or maybe 5% of the battery, I mean brightness, as you can see exactly in terms of the green tint is going on. I don't think the green tint problem got solved with the latest update. I'll try to demonstrate even in the Google Chrome application as well. You'll be able to see the green tint sometimes. Just a little bit. Let me try to show you friends in the Google Chrome application. You will be able to detect some kind of green tint little bit on the top of the notification panel in this notification area, little bit, just a little bit, not much. Not only in the Google Chrome, even on the lock screen you will be able to see the green tint problem little bit kind of more on the lock screen. As you can see friends, this is a complete black wallpaper which I did select right now at this moment, and in the notification panel, as soon as you bring the notification down, you will be able to see the green tint problem, as you can see in the notification panel. So if you remove the fingerprint option on the lock screen, you may be able to avoid this kind of issue happening in the iQOO 7 device. That's the one advice which I can definitely give you. Right now I'm not using any kind of fingerprint option. As you can see at this moment, there's no fingerprint option enabled. Let me try to bring the slide, as you can see right now. So now if you try to use the notification panel, you cannot see much kind of green tint happening, as you can see at this point clearly. So still the green tint issue is going on in the iQOO 7 device. It's not yet fixed with the latest update. So hopefully maybe the next software update might be able to fix this issue. So friends, this is a quick review on the green tint problem in the iQOO 7 device. Still the problem is not yet fixed in this device. Hopefully the problem should get fixed as soon as possible. So let's see with the next software update whether this problem will be fixed or not in the iQOO 7 device. So but for me, if you ask me whether it's bothering me or not, I would say it's not bothering me, because so this is a situation where you need to use the dark mode and using in a very low brightness, and using in this kind of conditions only then you will be able to feel the green tint issue. So maybe for some of the users it might be bothering, but still on the lock screen you can avoid by disabling the fingerprint. But some users, they don't agree, because the use of in-display fingerprint option is to use, not to disable it. So it's up to your user's choice to whether they want a green tint or they want a fingerprint. So this is a quick review friends on this iQOO 7 device. So still the problem is not yet fixed in the iQOO 7 smartphone in terms of the green tint issue. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.